Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we talked about how to create string in Java language by using Eclipse editor. So that was simple enough to understand how to create string using literals or through objects. Once we have object or this string, we can perform multiple operations. So before going to that, we have to understand one thing which says strings are just sequence of characters. That means multiple characters combined together to form a string. If I say CloudRaga, so this is one string, right? But if you have to actually understand the anatomy of string, it says sequence of characters. So we have CLOUDRAGA. So these many characters results into a string. And when it comes to characters, so they have some what do you call that indexes. So when you're dealing with this kind of approach, so every single character you have here, they are index space. Okay, I won't give space here. This. So there's no what say space. Oh, okay, I lost that data. Let's start again. See, let's start in capitals. So okay, this is one thing, and then the idea is once we have this string CloudRaga, so this can be represented into index space approach. So index space is starts with zero character. So all these are boxes. Let me create them to understand how index works. So we are actually talking about indexes in string class. Okay, so this is one box. Okay, other box. So that's combines cloud, then R A G A. Okay, so how index works? So in string and at most of the places, almost 99.9%, it starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's how it works. So at 0 index we have C, 1 L, 4 D, 5 R, 6 G, A, 7 G, and 8 A. So that's how you can refer any index. How we will see some examples or some functions. So that's just a idea how string can be seen in different scenario, like collection of characters, and every single character has their specific index, and you catch by using those index you can do lots of amazing stuffs like writing your own examples or like some logic purpose. So let's do one thing. Let me just write methods examples of string. Okay, and let's make it go away, and this one also goes away. Then we will use it later. Okay, so we have string class or string literal. What operation you can do? Let's say I want to check the length, right? I want to check the length of this string. So there is one method length can be used on this, and it gives you an integer value. So I can say int and reference name done, and then I can print that this out. Length of string is typo, fix that. String is then len. Okay, it's done. Lots of typos, but yeah, it's fixed now. So this will give me a length of this particular string. So one, let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 characters. So we should get 9 here. So let's test it. Right click, run as application, and yep, we are getting 9. Since it's index space, so it starts with 0, so -1, that's the index. So 0 to 8. So that's how you can call multiple methods. So in next example, in next video, we will talk about some more methods from string class, how they are helpful. We will also see that. So stay tuned. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.